All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, if you recall, we went over rollups, and today we're going to go over a different aspect of rollups called sequencers. Sequencers are a type of operator associated with rollups. The sequencer usually refers to the operator, which is ordering transactions and sometimes bundling them together to make it easier for processing. Now, in some rollups with sequencers is in fact centralized, so it's controlled by a centralized entity. This can be problematic because it can lead to things like censorship, where the centralized entity is stopping some users' transactions from being processed, or it can manipulate the order of transactions for their own gain. So something like us being unable to make withdrawals because they are blocking our transaction or withdrawal could happen. The other issue is that if the sequencer is centralized or if the sequencer goes down, then no one will be able to make any transactions at all. Withdrawals can happen, and this can be extremely problematic because what if withdrawals are halted for an extended amount of time? Will the funds be worth anything if we can't withdraw them? These are just a few issues with sequencers being centralized, and this is why projects like ZK Sync are working right now to decentralize their sequences. Now we will talk about rollup stages. L2 chains or rollups are graded on certain properties and given a stage. Now for this section, we are going to be going over the L2 Beat website, which we can see at, this is the website here, L2beat.com, scale and summary. Here we will be seeing all the different chains, their stages, and lots of different information that we will be going over. That's basically what we went over yesterday. We talked about sequencers and we went in depth in that subject. Let me go down a little bit more so you can see exactly where we left off. We actually finished this entire module. So yeah, we finished the L2 or the L1 L2 rollups, and today we're going to start the ZK Zinc transactions and how to make a transaction on that ZK Zinc chain. But of course, I'll keep you posted on that as we move forward. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.